Puts a very good pass to number 3.
Welcome. We're here today at Roda Polo.
Hi everyone, I'm Christian Bagoria. I'm the first Roda Polo certified instructor. I did a training back in Argentina to bring Roda Polo here, and I'm now certifying other guys.
Hopefully I can get certified as well from you. I would love to learn, and I'm excited to learn. Today is going to be my first time trying this new amazing cutting edge sport. You used to ride, you told me, with polo with horses, like the traditional polo, right?
Correct. So this was born 3 years ago out of a professional polo player in Argentina. I wanted to bring and make polo more accessible. So his kids were moving around the polo field playing with these small mallets, and they started playing on the wheel. And so he said, oh, that's a great idea. Why don't we do this as sport? And we can play everywhere. You don't need a big field. You can play indoors in a soccer indoor arena. So he invented 3 years ago, and now we are in 15 countries, in Europe, here in North America, South America. Here in Canada, this is the first event.
So you are Roda Polo Canada?
We are Roda Polo.
Roda Polo Canada. So you represent the whole Canadian market essentially for this sport.
We have an association, and then we have an academy. So the academy we teach, and the association we are gonna try to open academies and clubs all over Canada.
And you're doing classes, like you're telling me, even in the winter you have an indoor location, so you can really play this all year round.
All year round. The soccer field is the size of the Roda Polo field. You play 3-on-3.
So how do we play?
So again, the sport follows the same exact rules and shots that you use in a regular traditional polo, right? So to play the mallet, you grab it, you put your hand up.
So like this.
Yeah, and
like this.
And then you grab it, you turn and grab it, and the number needs to point out. You hit the ball with the side of the mallet, right? And you have, this is like a windmill. Basic shot called offside. Every shot on your right are called offside. This is offside forehand. Hit forward, and then offside backhand and hit backward.
So you hit backwards sometimes. Yeah, I guess so. Like to take the ball away from somebody, you would go backwards.
And again, if you are defending, right? Someone wants to score on your goal. And you are running beside you. I will hit it back, right, on this side.
Yeah.
Trying to hit you before you.
Before you put it in, yeah.
If you are about to hit, I can also attack.
Yeah, so we can hit each other's stick.
Hook your stick, right? So,
are you allowed to hit it or just hook it?
Well, hook it, yeah. You cannot, because it will
smash
break
it.
You smash it.
Yeah,
right?
okay.
So,
Get out of the wheel, okay? He puts that back in play, and here goes.
for certified, we have a circuit that we have to complete. So that it's here, and you have to complete the circuit in less than a minute and a half. And then you have to do the same, but carrying a ball.
Yeah.
And that's how you become a certified player.
And what are kind of the rules of the
The basic rules are when you hit the ball does an imaginary line. So when you are playing, you cannot cross the line. If I hit the ball and this is my line, you cannot come and cross it in front of me. You can cross behind me and then come on this side.
On the side.
Crossing the line and try to hook my stick or hit it back. So you take the ball. Touch is non-contact. Horse polo, you can push the horse, your other player, you can push it out of the line. If you have the line, I can come and push you out of the line.
Yeah.
I take the line. You cannot hit the ball if your foot are not on your pedal. So if you fall, you can't touch the ball.
You can't touch the ball, yeah.
You do a tournament or an exhibition, we limit the speed of the wheels because again, you need to be fair. Everyone has the same speed. And then you can play, and it will be a fair match. If you have a better wheel, you will. It's like the horses. If you have a faster horse, you will.
I guess it's a lot easier to limit wheels than limit horses then.
Right.
Back in play, and here goes. the ball.
So we have one of the star players joining us here for a quick chat. I heard them calling you the Lionel Messi of Roda Polo. Tell me, what's your name?
I'm Pablo Falabella.
How long have you been playing for?
I started playing like 3 years ago with one wheels that I got here, and then in Argentina the Roda Polo became more famous, so I started playing with my friends all the time. And there in Argentina I have like this field too, so I wake up and I was bored, so I was playing all the time with this.
How long have you been riding an EUC for?
Yeah, like 3 years ago.
3 years, okay. Yeah, and you've been playing as well. Well, polo you've been playing, I guess, your whole life if your family's been into it. And you've tried with horses.
Yeah, my brother plays really well. I started more late, so the thing was that this helped me a lot for playing polo. Then when I started like 2 years ago maybe, first I started playing with this, and it was much easier to me being with the mallet, playing up the horse.
You know, it's amazing to be a part of the history, being here at the first Roto Polo game in Canada. You are a pioneer in this field, so I commend you and I congratulate you.
Man.
Yeah, let's just pass the ball to each other, get warmed up, see how we do.
Make sure we don't pass the ball.
Make sure we don't pass the ball, yeah.
Pass the ball to each other, just not. Don't get in front of it.
Don't get in front of it, yeah. All right, so me and Jesse are gonna give this a shot right now. Our first experience on Roto Polo EUC. Let's do it, buddy.
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, I'll get this ball here. Wait, pass it to you. Well done. Yeah, it's harder than it looks, but just getting used to it.
Just getting the timing right, but
There you go. There's a pass to you. There you go.
I'm glad that you guys are here helping
Thank you.
us,
It's a pleasure.
being our partners.
Well,
Hopefully we can grow this sport together.
for sure. Absolutely.
Okay?
Yeah. Dangerous move.